Okay. Been rough.
Good job.
Thanks. Woo! Teamwork makes the dream work. Hey! Oh, yeah.
Here we go, another episode About That Life kicking off. It's going to be another ATL Fly Fishing Club video. It's early, clocking in 4:41 in the morning. This is me without hair and makeup. Today should prove to be a very interesting day, a little more diversity on the channel, but we'll get to that a little later. We're kicking off from a new HQ. I'll get into that in another video. I moved, but I'm still here in Colorado. We're gonna do some fishing, gonna hit the Dream Stream today, but I'm going out with a very interesting crew. Last video, really happy with the response to that one. Real important message for me. To the fine gentleman who swore at me in the comments in Spanish, all I have to say to you is donde está la biblioteca. But here we go. We're kicking it off. ATL Fly Fishing Club with a very interesting kind of take on today's fishing adventure. Dream Stream, Colorado. Let's get it. Out here at the new HQ, ATL HQ, and it looks like the neighbors are out and about a little early this morning. What's up, guys? Breakfast? I told you to give me a call when you were coming over. These guys, they come over, they eat everything in sight, and they never tell me when they're here. But these are the new neighbors. How's it going? Looks like my ride's here. Well, I'm going to introduce you to these jabrones a little later, so it's going to be an interesting day. All right, here we go. So we made it out to the beautiful Dream Stream. So for today's video, it's going to be fly fishing with the ladies, the untold truth of fly fishing with the ladies. And I brought the biggest jabron slash fly fishing female that I know, Christina. Christina?
Mom, you didn't get it.
And Lindsay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see how the ladies do. More than likely, they're gonna outfish me. Stop it. And we're gonna get after it. Here at the Dream Stream. Where's the Dream Stream?
South of Fairplay.
South of Fairplay.
Colorado.
Let's get
By
it.
Spinny Mountain Reservoir.
All right, we're done. Here a few minutes and she's already fish on.
The Dream Stream's on fire! Damn it!
She's a machine, folks. Nope, I'm staying out of this one. That might be the same exact fish.
No, this one feels
No, I'm just saying. Try to make myself feel better. Nice fish.
No. I can't even do it. Maybe you should just do it.
Okay. That's a beaut. Good job.
Woo!
Look at this girl.
On fire. He's a hefty little one.
Yeah, nice fish.
It's a.
I didn't blow that one, folks.
Thank God.
Redemption. She's a machine, though.
Woo!
All right, let her rip.
Alright, we got Lindsay into a fish here. Look at them go. Update here from the drain stream. I'm covered in bug bites. Just lost a nice 14 to 16 inch rainbow. Christine was ready to work the net, but I couldn't land the fish. But out here in the dream stream, tough stream to fish, that's for sure. The lady unstoppable today. All right, so I got a nice brown here finally. So here we go. We're gonna let him go here. I don't want to stress him too much. There he goes.
Bye, dude.
My first dream stream fish.
Good girl.
You're good. Let him take on if he wants it.
Good job, Linz. Rod tip up. Now left to Bob. Yep. Left scoop. Left scoop and up. Oh, you lift him up. Yeah. Nice.
All right, so we're going to hear a little bit from guide Christine. Christine.
Fly fishing really lets me escape, and you can really just shut off from the world. I love out here, you basically get no cell service, and it's a time to really focus on nature and the beauty of the world, and it's awesome. I get to share it with friends. So that's why I love fly fishing. Plus, you never know what you're gonna get after you reel in. Every fish is different and so beautiful in their own way, and I really appreciate what the river can provide.
She has a lot of great things to say, but also don't cross her on the river and do what she says.
I'm an alpha female.
She's an alpha female on the river. Everywhere else she's crying and writing poetry and all in her feelings, but out here she will tear you up if you don't do what she says. She's the boss out here, so we've had a great day. So far, lots of fish. And we're gonna go check in with Lindsay, because Lindsay's leading the fish count, the least experienced fisher of us all. So here we go. All right, so now we're checking in with the fish leader, Lindsay, the least experienced fisher of all of us. Lindsay, tell us, what do you think of fly fishing? This is like your second or third time? Fourth time fishing. You've caught what, 4 fish today?
Yep.
You got me running around netting things like crazy. Yeah. Christine, they're netting for you. Christine's kind of sulking. She's getting a little sassy because you're out fishing her. What do you like about fly fishing?
I used to and I like being outside in the mountains. It's beautiful.
Fair enough. That's all she's got. So we're here with our fish leader of the day. I do have the biggest fish of the day. Don't mean to brag. The beautiful brown trout. Christine's down here still being a little saucy because she hasn't got one in a little bit. She wants one more. So we're gonna go try to get her one more out here on the Dream Stream in beautiful Colorado. So here we are wrapping up the day, half day, because some people only fish for a half day around here.
Wore my ass out.
Just got some BLTs, headed home. I caught the most fish, I got the biggest fish. I figured out what flies.
But I had the best time with the best group.
Who caught the most fish?
It doesn't matter, it's not about the fish, Bob.
No, but seriously, who caught the most fish? It doesn't matter.
Lindsay, Rockstar.
Yeah. And who caught the biggest fish?
Christine. Definitely me.
Okay. Insert the picture of me catching the biggest fish.
Most beautiful brown goes to Bob.
Thank you.
His eyes aren't brown.
They're great. So how did everybody feel about today's fishing with the ladies experience?
Wore out. Yeah.
Wore out?
Fun. Crushed it.
Crushed it? This group isn't the best for the...
I don't do well on camera. Me
They
neither.
don't do well on camera. So we're gonna wrap it up here. not a lot of...
We're in a food coma. We're in a food coma, to be fair. We just crushed 3
They're
BLTs.
good at fishing, but not a lot of good insight.
And crushing BLTs.
Crushing BLTs. So we're on our way back to the house. UFC fights tonight. We'll wrap up this video later, but for now, we're on our way home. About That Life Fly Fishing Club with the ladies. The untold truth. Fly fishing with the ladies. Wrapping up this video a week later, had some time to think about it, and I think it's nice that this video follows the last video. Good message for this one. It doesn't matter your gender, it doesn't matter your skin color. It just all boils down to whether or not you're a good person. We had a great day on the river and really enjoyed the day out with Lindsay and Christine on the Dream Stream. ATL Fly Fishing Club. ATL, the channel is for everyone. The Fly Fishing Club's for everyone. Guy, girl, black, white, Latino, doesn't matter. We'll have anybody in the ATL club. Whether you're a fly fisher person or you just want to join along for the adventures, we're happy to have you. So with that, ATL, we're out.